Hey there, in this lesson we will be looking at the basics of a C++ program. What is a subprogram, or function? A subprogram is a collection of statements. When executed, they accomplish something, and they may be predefined or standard. What are syntax rules? They are rules that specify which statements or instructions are legal or valid. What are semantic rules? They are rules that determine the meaning of the instructions. A programming language is a set of rules, symbols, and special words. What are comments? Program comments are explanatory statements that you can include in the C++ code. Comments are for the reader, not the compiler. Two types of comments are single-line comments and multiple-lines comments. Single-line comments begins with double backward slash. Multiple-line comments are enclosed between backward slash, asterisk and forward slash, asterisk. You can include comments that can occupy several lines. Special symbols. A token is the smallest individual unit of a program written in any language. C++ tokens include special symbols, word symbols, and identifiers. Special symbols in C++ include addition sign, subtraction sign, asterisk, dot, semicolon, question mark, comma, lesser equal to, not equal to, greater equal to. A reserved word is a word that cannot be used as an identifier, such as the name of a variable, function, or label. It is reserved from use. Cannot be redefined within a program. Cannot be used for anything other than their intended use. Examples include int, float, double, char, const, void, return. Those were the basics of a C++ program. Please share your thoughts on the comments section below on where I can improve. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you on the next lesson.